It's so cold. Alright guys, what's up? This is my first video of 2018. This is my go-kart. As you can see, it's a mess. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys why this is a mess in a bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just my little short intro. Let's get right into it. It's a mess. There's a tarp there. But the tarp freaking broke. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. It's a mess. The tarp is supposed to go on over there, but it's not on. It's filled with snow. Oh man. So I'm just gonna do a quick little time lapse of me trying to fix this. Alright? Let's get right into it. Whew. Guys, it is way too cold. Guys, it is way too cold. These gloves are mechanics gloves, and my fingers are like ice cubes right now. But I'm still gonna try to attempt fixing this whole thing. So I keep looking at the whatever, yeah. Alright, I thought about it. Alright, whatever. I thought about it. I think I'm gonna fix that one later because my fingers are frozen and all this snow here, it's covering the go-kart, so it's kind of useless. It'll be easier if I clean the snow first, I think. Yeah, that's what I mean. Alright guys. I don't have a snow shovel. That's gonna have to do for now. Alright guys, so I haven't started this engine in like over 3 months, so this is gonna be the first cold start of my go-kart here. Right? It's probably gonna, you know, break my back while trying to start this, but let's give it a go. I should probably jack this down a little because I feel like it's gonna fall off the jack. Actually, no, it's pretty good. All right, here goes nothing. Oh my God, I can feel the pressure building up here. It's hard. I got it working. Alright guys, so that was the first cold start. It's really cold today. Start my mustache, I know it's really bad. You guys probably can't even hear me right now because it's so loud. But that was the first cold start, and yeah. Alright guys, that's enough for today for the cold start, because it's really loud and I'm pretty sure all my neighbors are sleeping, so I'm not trying to get any more complaints anymore. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and alright, so this is my dilemma as of right now. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, alright, you guys see this sprocket right here? Watch. Do you see that? Oh my god, okay. My camera just touched my my exhaust and probably just effed it up. But look at my sprocket. The weld is all bent on it right now. I mean the weld's broken. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that up. It's really cold, so I don't know if I'm gonna weld today. But I'll probably just, get a torch, heat up the axle so the metal's a little warm when I weld, so it'll make it a little bit easier. But I'll get this go-kart working by next week so I can go test it out, because it's been over a year since I've driven it. So I'm excited for that. So if I finish, I'll show you guys what I have for today in a bit. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far. I'm kind of proud of my work, but then again I wish I welded instead of, I kind of avoided welding today because it's really cold and I just didn't feel like dragging all the welding stuff out and stuff, it's just too much work. My hands are freezing because I took my gloves off because I didn't want to mess my camera up. But I was make sure my mic's on. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I have so far, alright? Alright guys, so alright, can you guys see that? I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. Alright, anyway, the sprocket, I didn't re-weld it. What I did instead is I took a hammer with like a I think it's like a 5-pound hammer, and I just kind of hit it until it was straight again. I don't want to really touch it I don't want to freeze my fingers now. It's already being frozen. Oh no. And then the chain. So I didn't get a new chain. What I did instead is I took the old chain. Yeah, I took the old chain and then I put in this vinegar solution I made, which removes rust, and I left it in there for like a couple days. Alright, because I didn't have my WD-40 rust remover with me in my house. So after I did that, the chain was probably like 95% rust free. And when it was rusted, it wouldn't like shift at all. Like it was just like one piece. But now the little sections actually move, which is great. So the clutch, it was super rusty. I just my WD-40 was out of pressure. So what I did is I hit it with a hammer, and it kind of got in my eye a little, but I'm okay. Probably gonna die. So but there was still liquid in there. I took the liquid and I like completely soaked the clutch in it, left it in there for like a minute, then I started spinning it and it spun perfect. And as you can see over there, that's all rust from the clutch. Yeah, it's all clutch rust. So now the clutch spins somewhat freely, way more freely than before. Then I took this clutch nut out, the drive shaft nut, and I put new Loctite on it. Like, yeah. After I did that, I took some high temp grease and I soaked the chain in it, so the chain has some sort of lubricant on it. So yeah, I did that, and now I can actually, let me just make sure it's on. I was running it for a little, so it should start quite easily. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I just put my, oh my god, that's not it. Alright. That hurt. Alright, I'm gonna try that out again. I don't want to really hold the gas. getting kind of late, and I think I hear my neighbors coming out. It's getting kind of late, and I think I hear my neighbors coming out. So my nose is getting runny, and it's really cold. By the way, this isn't a scarf. I actually just took a long sleeve t-shirt and I made it into a scarf. It works just as well. Alright, so that's my go-kart. First video of 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed. And am I missing anything? Yeah, that's about it. I have an Instagram page if you guys want to follow my photography. I do a bit of photography. I'll put that in the description below. My hands are freezing right now. But I think that's all I have for you guys today, and peace.